So, hello, I now find the owner of the Welcome to the Cap Store, but I'm going to show what the video is. That's why it says Welcome to the Cap Store. Promise, I'll show it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to show it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, next, I'm going to show said Welcome to the Cap Store. I'm showing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that was the video that says Welcome to the Cap Store, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye, and I'm gonna show my pictures and some one photo and 5, 4, 3, 2. The next one is going to be Cha Spawn in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now another one is I was another one, and I have 2 more, and this is short, and this is going to be 1 left. Okay. And the last one is going to be shown, and now. Please subscribe to my channel if not. Bye!
Yun na yung start ng biyahe natin.